Have you ever wondered how plants use sunlight to grow? It's like nature's most incredible magic trick happening right in your backyard. Welcome to this fascinating journey into the world of plant growth and photosynthesis. Let me show you how these green champions turn sunlight into life itself. Every plant you see around you is actually a tiny solar-powered factory. When sunlight touches a leaf, something amazing begins. Inside each leaf are millions of tiny structures called chloroplasts, filled with a special green pigment called chlorophyll. This is what gives plants their beautiful green color, but it does so much more. Think of chlorophyll as a solar panel that captures sunlight. When sunlight hits these natural solar panels, it kicks off an incredible process called photosynthesis. But what exactly happens during photosynthesis? Well, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores in their leaves called stomata. They also pull up water from their roots through vessels that work like tiny straws. Now here's where the magic happens. The captured sunlight energy helps plants break down water molecules and combine them with carbon dioxide. This process creates glucose, which is basically plant food, and releases oxygen as a bonus gift to all of us. The glucose is like tiny packages of energy that the plant can use immediately or store for later. It's similar to how we might eat a meal and save some energy for later activities. This stored energy helps plants grow taller, produce new leaves, create beautiful flowers, and develop fruits. But plants are even smarter than you might think. They can actually move their leaves to catch more sunlight, just like you might adjust your position to get comfortable in the sun. Some plants even track the sun across the sky. It's called heliotropism. And when they don't get enough light, they'll grow toward the nearest light source. That's why houseplants often lean toward windows. The amazing thing is that this process happens constantly, every day, all around us. Plants are constantly converting sunlight into the energy they need to grow, thrive, and produce the oxygen we breathe. They're the ultimate sustainable factories, powered entirely by sunlight. And here's a fun fact. The energy stored in plants eventually becomes the energy that powers all life on Earth. When we eat fruits, vegetables, or grains, we're actually consuming stored sunlight energy. Even when we eat meat, we're getting energy that originally came from plants. Pretty incredible, right? So next time you see a plant growing, remember that you're watching a sophisticated solar-powered system at work, turning sunlight into life itself. It's one of nature's most remarkable processes, happening silently but powerfully all around us, every single day.